because of 6 feet, we get around 40% force. Because population plus they have only 2 speed. Yeah, yeah. Depends on flow. Income जमीन जो करेंगे या फिर just for next inverter system of